Hi, today we are going to see demo for college voting system PHP Web Application. First open the XAMPP control panel. Then start the Apache and MySQL. Next click on the admin. Left side you can able to see the backend database on these tables. Next open the Visual Studio. First export the college voting folder. Then you can see the addressing files and source codes. Then open the readme text. Here you can see the login details and URL link. Then copy the URL link and paste to the browser. Now we can view the college voting system web application. It's our two modules. First go to the admin login. Enter the admin email ID and password. Now we can view the admin homepage. First go to the manage election. Here you can update the election date and assign a candidate. First go to the assign candidate. Here you can allocate the candidate. So enter the candidate symbol and ID. Then give the details. Then click on the allocate. Next go to the update date. Here you can update the election date and time. So enter the start date and the end start time. Then give the end date and time. Then click on the update. Now update the election date. Next go to the view candidate. Here you can view the all election candidate on this page. Then you can update the candidate details. And then go to the update image. Here you will be update the candidate symbol. So choose the file and submit the symbol. Now update the image. Next go to the create student. Here you will be create the voting student ID. So enter the student ID and give the mobile number. Whatever give the mobile number, that mobile number receive the student login OTP. Then give the student name and give the student details. Then submit. Let's go to the update student. Here you can view the all student details and you can update the student details. Let's go to the voting result. Here you can view the voting result on this page. Next we will move for the student login. So click on the user login and enter the student ID. Then get the OTP. Now we can receive the OTP. Now login successfully. Then click on the my vote. Then you can receive the verification OTP. Then click on the submit. Here you can see the all candidates and then you can search the candidate name or symbols, then submit your vote. That's the whole college voting system PHP web application.